Hey everyone, flying for the first time and feeling nervous? Relax. This video will guide you through every step. And if you like simple, helpful videos like this, please like and subscribe to my channel for more informative content. This video is for you and for every first-time flyer who feels nervous before their first flight. By the end of this video, you will know every single step of flying clearly, calmly, and without confusion. Yes, air travel looks complicated, but once you experience it, trust me, you will realize it's simple, safe, and enjoyable. So, first thing comes first. If you're flying for the first time, the most important rule is reaching the airport on time. So, for domestic flights, it is reach airport at least 2 hours before departure. And for international flight, reach airport 3 hours in advance. So, this time is needed for check-in, security, and boarding. So, what to carry from home? That's a big question. Yes, before leaving home, keep these things ready. And that is government ID card, that is like Aadhaar, passport. Of course, for domestic flights, you don't need passport, but flight tickets that can be on your SMS, email, or airline app, and mobile phone fully charged, of course, to click photos, and light jacket or stole because flights can be cold sometimes. Here comes the baggage rule, that is, airlines allow limited baggage. Always check weight before coming. So cabin baggage, that is one small bag, goes with you and maximum weight is 7 kgs and that goes with you in the aircraft. Check-in baggage, that is usually of 15 kg, depends upon the airline and submitted at airline counter. And keep it in mind that liquids above 100 ml, sharp items, lighters, blades, scissors, anything which can be harmful, that is not at all allowed. Yes, and before catching your flight, keep it in mind that you have to do web check-in. That's must. Web check-in, it saves you time and very helpful. Open airline website or app, enter your PNR number or booking ID and select your seat. Download boarding. Keep it on your phone. That is, if you have done your web check-in, you can use digiyatra for faster airport entry. And what is digiyatra? Of course, I'll come with a video also, but it's a face recognition based entry. No need to show your ID repeatedly. And how does it work? Install digiyatra app, upload your Aadhaar and selfie, link boarding pass at airport, stand in digiyatra queue, and camera scans face and entry is allowed. No waiting time. Digiyatra is optional. Normal entry is also allowed. Show your ID, submit check-in baggage, bag is weighed and received printed boarding pass. Of course, now your luggage is tagged with a receipt. With your boarding pass is the most important document, so keep it handy with you. That is, will include your passenger name, flight number, boarding gate number, seat number, boarding time, and departure time. Always check gate number on airport screens because sometimes it can change too. Yes, and next is security check for all passengers. Show your boarding pass plus ID, put bags in tray, remove any belt, watch, jacket, or if it's a leather shoe, please remove it, phone, and walk through metal detector. Yes, of course, keep your laptop, mobile charger, everything in the tray and not in your check-in baggage. Then, once it is checked, collect your bags and after clearance, continue. So you can do shopping or you can have some snacks. And waiting area and boarding announcements, keep it in mind that after security check you enter the waiting area, that is seat near your boarding gate. So watch flight displays on screens, listen to announcements, and boarding starts 30 to 40 minutes before departure. So be alert about it. When boarding is announced, stand in queue, show your boarding pass, walk through aerobridge or bus, or find seating using your seat number and store cabin baggage above your head. So sit comfortably and cabin crew will assist you for everything. Please trust. For any doubts, take help at the airport. And during the flight, once seated, fasten your seatbelt, follow safety instructions, keep phone on airplane mode, and relax and enjoy the flight. Yes, and you know, after landing, wait for the seatbelt sign to turn off. Exit aircraft, follow baggage claim signs, and don't forget to listen the belt number when your flight has landed. Collect your check-in baggage and exit the airport comfortable. Yes, truly. It's once the flight is in the air, don't hesitate to ask for help, cabin crew, or if there is any assistance needed. Above your seat, there is a call bell button, so if you need water, food, or any help, press the bell. Don't hesitate. A crew member will come to your seat and assist you. Do not feel shy. This is completely normal. And yes, some flights provide free snacks or meals. Some flights have paid food. So crew will inform you, take orders during the flight. And using the toilet, yes, you can use the toilet during the flight, but only when the signs are up. Hey, collected your baggage and your trip is done. Congratulations, you are done with your first trip. So how was your experience? And let me know, drop me a message, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for watching more informative videos. Thank you.